So, hello there guys, welcome back to another video, and in this short video I'm just gonna show you guys how to limit the player's maximum zoom distance in game that they can zoom out. And this is normally set to 128 studs by default, and you can edit that using in the starter player, but it's gonna be more modular if you use it in a script. So the first thing that you have to do is make a script and put it into server script service. This could also be workspace, but this is just more organized if you know, like organization. All you really have to type in is game.players.playEdit connect function. Obviously it's gonna be the function. You don't have to name it player, but it's gonna make it easier later on. Now I'm just gonna put in a wait so that the script wouldn't have no way of really crashing. This you can set to anything in seconds. This is gonna wait how much time it takes for the script to work after the player joins. And next thing you have to type is player, because we set it to player back there, and camera max zoom distance and equal to, I'm gonna say to 35 studs. This is in studs, and that's how much the player is gonna be able to zoom out when he joins the game. I'm gonna show you this right now. See, I can't zoom further than 35 studs. So yeah, this is gonna be the short tutorial I made for you guys today. Hope you guys liked it. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.